As a trusted HVAC contractor, your customers may already see you as an expert in their heating and cooling needs. But what if they could turn to you for even more? What if they saw you as their go-to source for the quality and efficiency of their air flowing throughout their entire home? Your customers have invisible problems in their homes, and with Owens Corning, you can open their eyes to solutions that boost comfort and efficiency. Where to look? The attic is a good place to start. Did you know more than 90% of homes are under-insulated? And an average home loses up to 30% of air that moves through the duct system due to leaks, holes, and poorly connected ducts. Think about it. What if every time your customer put gas into their car, 30% of it leaked onto the ground? Not too efficient. Or to use the car analogy a little differently, when you install and maintain a top-performing HVAC system for your customers, but their ductwork and attic insulation aren't high performance? Well, that's like dropping a souped-up engine into a beater car. The homeowner is missing out on the full potential of their new system, and you could be missing out on a business opportunity. Properly sized, sealed, and insulated ductwork and the right attic insulation add to the comfort and efficiency of your customers' homes. And it gives you another way to help grow your business. Here's the quick example. Adding attic reinsulation and duct retrofit can more than double the value of the project. Duct retrofit and attic reinsulation projects also offer a simple way to balance your business and keep your techs busy in the off-season. Having projects to complete in off-peak times even can help retain crews, and that could mean less time spent hiring and training. And having more projects and services helps elevate your brand. With duct retrofit and attic reinsulation, you can position your company as more than an HVAC contractor. You help homeowners improve, save energy, and enhance the comfort of their home. That helps your business stand out, designed to earn more loyalty and referrals. And you won't be doing it alone. Owens Corning offers all the training and support you need to start offering duct retrofit and attic reinsulation. We even have marketing materials to help you talk to customers about your new services. If you're interested in learning more about services to help grow your business and keep it balanced throughout the year, it's easy to get started. To learn more, contact your Owens Corning Air Distribution representative or visit owenscorning.com.